They say, where there's a will, there's a way. And I guess that's what makes us all get up each day and keep going, even when we think we ought to quit. Through all the droughted harvests, the floods, and the down markets, so many things we know we can't control. But we keep moving, keep trying, keep driving, because there's more to this than just us. It's family, a legacy, a way of life, and the only one we hope to ever know. So no matter how big the fear, we know in the face of it all, we will persevere. Select Sires, your success, our passion.